Edusoft Robotix. Comprehensive STEM and robotics solution.
Hello students, welcome to Edusoft Robotix. In this tutorial, we are going to see how to create a simple circuit using a breadboard. Step 1. Connect the positive end of the battery to the positive line of the breadboard. Step 2. Connect the negative end of the battery to the negative line of the breadboard. Step 3. Place the LED on any two middle holes as shown here. Step 4. Place the resistor on the breadboard so that its one end connects with the negative leg of the LED, and its other end connects with any hole in the negative line of the breadboard. Step 5. With wire, connect the positive leg of LED with any hole in the positive line of the breadboard. Now, click on Start Simulation to see the circuit in action.